Welcome to this tutorial on why use Trust Wallet to create a wallet. Trust Wallet is a popular mobile wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive various cryptocurrencies. In this guide, we will walk you through the benefits of using Trust Wallet to create a wallet and provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, let's start with the benefits of using Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a decentralized wallet, which means that you have full control over your funds and private keys. This is in contrast to centralized exchanges, which hold your private keys and can be vulnerable to hacking and other security risks. Trust Wallet also supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Another benefit of using Trust Wallet is its ease of use. The wallet has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and manage your funds. You can also use Trust Wallet to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly from the app, which makes it a convenient option for those who want to invest in cryptocurrencies. Now, let's move on to creating a wallet with Trust Wallet. To do this, you will need to download the Trust Wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will need to create a new wallet by clicking on the Create Wallet button. You will then be asked to create a password and PIN code to secure your wallet. After you have created your wallet, you will be given a recovery phrase that you will need to write down and store in a safe place. This phrase is used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it, so it is very important that you keep it safe. In terms of best practices, it is recommended that you enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your wallet. You should also make sure to keep your recovery phrase safe and secure, and never share it with anyone. In conclusion, using Trust Wallet to create a wallet is a great option for those who want to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies in a secure and decentralized way. With its user-friendly interface and wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, Trust Wallet is a convenient and reliable option for anyone who wants to invest in cryptocurrencies. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a wallet with Trust Wallet and start managing your cryptocurrencies today.